This video is sponsored by the brand SpaceAid.
So I got the washer and dryer countertop. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you receive with your purchase, quick guide on how to get it assembled, and then what the finished product is going to look like so you know exactly what to expect when your countertop arrives. Here's what you get. So there's basically only 4 pieces to it. All you got to do is put on the edges, and that is done with these bolts and Allen wrench that they give you, so you don't need any tools of your own. They make it very simple to do. And they also supply you with some furniture pads so that you can put these underneath the wood, so when it goes on top of your washer or dryer while it's running, it's not going to rattle because you have that foam in between there that's absorbing that rattle. So I'm going to go get this thing assembled. I'll show you kind of what that looks like, and then you can have a look at what the finished product looks like when it's all together.
As for the assembly, it took me about 5 minutes to get fully assembled. Could not be easier. As you can see here, if you basically can screw in bolts and an Allen wrench, you're going to be able to get this together super fast.
And here's what the finished product looks like with those edges on there. There's a couple things I really love about this. First, and I didn't even realize this, it's going to be these foam pads that they give you. There's actually rubber on the front of these. So when you do put them down, it's going to act as like a non-slip type pad. So it's not going to slide around on your washer or dryer once you have it on there, which is super nice. Another thing I like is this wood. It has like a nice polish on it. So I got a little bit of water here. So obviously coming out of the washer, you're going to have it get wet. So it's not going to soak up water. You're going to be able to easily clean the water off if you need to. But overall, it does its job exactly as it should. Whole bunch of space to make organizing your laundry room that much better. So I'm a big fan. Give it 2 thumbs up.